Hello everyone, so it's me again. I'm back again. So it's been a while. So I just bought this Watson Hole online. So actually I have a vlog or unboxing video before ng bumili ako. Ayun, my cell phone just folded. Sorry, so yun na nga. I'm just saying, may na the previous hole ng Watson. But this time it's a 2024 edition. Yeah, and it's on the box. Finally, kasi yung last time na nagulo ko sa online, like, naka-plastic bag talaga siya. Like, parang bumili sa store lang, hindi siya mukhang online. So this one is really legit on box. So yeah, so we're going to unbox this Watson Hole 2024 edition. So ayan, so let's start na. At I think, okay lang naman to. Just mga basic needs. Yeah. So, it's so hot in here in the Philippines, kaya talaga, I'm just wearing a sando, yan. Hindi na naman ako makatulog, so sabi ko, why don't make an unboxing video na lang, diba? Ayan. Yan na siya. Yeah, so, ito ang ating mga items. Yan, so, I have a lot of cardboard papers for the protections of the items. And then, ito na nga, unang dumating ang ating alcohols. Very basic. Magkaiba siya, it's a Watson and Dr. J. So, ang reason na ito, I've been a fan of Dr. J alcohol, but gusto kasi yung green. Pero wala kasi, kaya ito pinili ko yung blue. And ito naman, fan din ako ng Watson brand, ng blue na isopropyl alcohol. So yun pala, pinakaiba nila, isang isopropyl tsaka isang ethyl alcohol. Actually, mas mahal nga itong Watson brand eh. Next, this one, first time ko gagamitin itong Lux Organics Scalp Cleanse Hair Detox Scrub. So di ba parang nilak natin ng detox scrub, like for the hair or for the scalp. I will try this one, so this one is a Lux Organics brand. Then next naman natin, ito, malaki. Tino pa na to, basic facial tissue by Watson. Yeah, flowers sa kanyang mga design. Next, ito pa isa, this is the Glamworks Candle Peel Lights. Yeah. Wala sa dito sa pag-break lang talaga ginagamit ng light needs sa bahay, tsaka itong mga lamps. What else? This one, ito. Ito ko to sa aking friend, Digel. Yeah, she's using this and also ginagamit ko dito pag nandun sa kanila. So, this is the NutriBliss Iron plus Folic Acid. So, maganda tong vitamins natin kasi it's chewable tablet siya and masarap siya. Ang flavor niya is persimmon. Masarap siya, promise. Hindi siya lasang kalawang. Mostly ng mga vitamins na iron, yeah. You all know na lasang kalawang talaga siya. But this one, no. Very masarap siya. Chewable pa siya. You have just take one chewable tablet a day. Okay, next. This one, the Foot Blast by Pretty Secret. So, yeah, nakikita na. So, this one kasi is maganda siya yung lalo pag nakachinelas kayo. You have to spray on your talampakan. Mamula-mula pa siya para kang nagpamanik. Pedicure. And then this one I just bought it on sale, like 50% off. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid plus Caffeine Eye Serum. Yan, eye serum tayo dyan. Kasi because we're already turning 34 this year. So yeah, we need to do something, skincare that have, you know, like for the eye area, like for the prevention of wrinkles, dark under eye, yeah, for younger looking eyes. Yeah, first time ko lang i-try ito. So I'm excited. Then we have this one. Ito yung pinaka, very curious talaga. Maliit lang pala siya. This is the Era, parang kung tinan naman nyo, walang kalahati lang. Andito lang siya. Ayan. This is the Era Pore Blur Whitening Moisturizer. So this is from Eye White Korea din siya. So first time ko natin gagamitin ito. So excited ako dito and very promising. So this is for oil skin. And I have an oily skin kasi kaya bagay ito sa akin. I'm looking forward for this moisturizer. And then, what else? This one. The Megan Peel Off Mask. I bought it on sale din ata at 50% off kaya binili ko na lang din siya. So yun, I will try to have face mask na lang din. This is with cucumber extra kaya sa color green. And then this one also, plus Vaseline Foot Cream Deep Moisture. Yeah. Siyempre din ang mukha natin ang kailangan ng moisturizer. We also need from the bottom there, so yung ating foot. Okay. What else? So yeah, this one is the refillable ng Lux Organics Unclots Green Tea Oil Absorbing Blotting Paper. So I have the ano kasi nito, yung kulay lagay, yung may kasamang salamin. So ubos na din siya. So ito yung refill. So it has 50 sheets. Yeah. And what else? Yeah, this is not cool. Kasi ang in-order ko yung may Star Wars, pero this is the classic one. Yung packaging niya hindi nasunod. But this is the Mentolatum Cool Aqua Extra Cooling SPF 15 Cooling Lip Balm. Yeah. So may link ako sa lip balm kasi ayoko din na nagda-dry lips and lately talaga very dry yung lips ko. So this also comes with the SPF 15. So let's see this. Okay, what else? I think the rest is mga dito mga freebies. So I have a freebie of Jergens Age Defying Multivitamin Moisturizer with vitamin A, E, and C. So I have 2 packs. So this one is free. Also another one is Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Okay, another one is a hydrating lotion from, oh my god, Hada Labo. Hada Labo, I don't know, but it's a Japanese brand. And last but not the least, nagulat ako ang laki niya, pero this one is free lang siya. La Floral Prudence Rose Foam Cleanser. Actually, nakagamit ako ng Rose Cleanser before from Althea, Korea. So parang similar siya. Mayroon din siya parang mga particles, hindi ko kung kita sa camera, pero may mga particles na parang rose petals. So So, ayun lang naman yung aking Watson's haul. Very quick video lang talaga. So, these are may mga basic needs lang din talaga. And instead of buying it on the store, since minsan may mga items na wala doon. For example, this one, wala akong makita nito. Tsaka, nasa yung footprint. Wala akong makita ng mga ganyan sa sa mga regular store ng Watsons. Kaya I decided to buy it online. If you want to try it, you can install the Watsons App Store on Google Play Store. And meron yan doon. Then, it's, delivery is hindi siya free sa akin since I came from Bulacan. So, may bayad na 25 pesos lang naman. So, pwede na yun. Then, ito pa yung wish pala. May mga discounted din siya. So, total, actually, wala siyang total ano dito. Pero ayun, okay na din siya. So, that's it. Bye!